everybody, Asong Filipina, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my outfit today because I went to the gym and then, well, now is barefoot because I take off my shoes already. And today we're going to unbox because this is flip-flops and then we're gonna try on this one. So okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you what I have purchased in the Shein, and this is not a sponsored video. So I'm excited because I forgot what I shopped since I done a lot of shopping this month. I still have few boxes to unbox. So okay, I'm gonna show you and then I'm gonna walk here around, and the floor is quite messy. Maybe I have to clean because of the wind. And anyway, okay, I have this tops. So I have also some kind of some dresses here, but I'm not gonna try on my dress. So I'm just gonna show you my toenails. Still same because I really love the color, but then it's kind of fading now. So tomorrow I'm going to change that. So this one, I love this one. I'm gonna shop more of this. I still have some shoes that we're going to unbox. This is just few dress. So my mind is loaded. Sometimes I was like, what I have to talk next, because sometimes I talk past tense and present tense. Okay, this is dress and it's really cute. So I'm gonna wash first before I try on. I'm gonna try on some dress with matching outfit later, and just gonna walk here around my terrace or outside, but I think here is more quiet. So okay, let's start the flip-flops. So this is leopard, since I have leopard dress, and then this is just so cute. So I'm gonna just try on. So I'm gonna try on and then I'm gonna walk with it. Then let's continue to unbox after. Don't mind the floor since there's a lot of leaves. So this is the flip-flops, and this is my gym outfit today. I have to lose a little bit of weight since I eat a lot. So after this one, by next is I'm going to try this one in the pedals. Sorry, I forgot my anklet. But I have a two ring here, so I'm gonna try my two rings. So there's leaves here. That's the flip-flops. Okay, next we're going to try on the other one. Hi again. let's continue to unbox. So I still have these flip-flops, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, I have to bring it closer to you so that you can see it very well. So this one, it's really cute. So I have to untie this one because it's with rubber, yeah. Okay, then let's walk with it. So size 36. Okay, then let's walk this flip-flops. So I have a gecko here. So this is the flip-flops. And the other one I'm gonna show you also. This is the other one. Okay, I'm gonna just put it here. Okay, next is we're going to unbox more. So wow, this is so cute. I love the box, the plastic. It looks like so expensive. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Really good. Quality is so good. Hi everyone. So okay, I'm going to try on and then I'm gonna walk with it. I'm gonna walk with the flip-flop. So it's almost similar to the other one, but this one is brown and this here's the design and it's plain black here. It's tied, look, that's the brand. Oh my god, so nice. I love this one. Since I have a lot of heels and sandals, so I decided to collect some flip-flops. Because last time I gave some of it, I gave it away. So okay, this is the the flip-flops. Follow me, guys. It's very sunny here, so it's quite bright. So perfect. I'm gonna make pictures for this. So cute. Really good for my feet. Hi again, I'm back. So I still have more. I still have one pair. Last pair of my flip-flops. So oh my god, this is also cute. I don't have scissors here, but I'm gonna use my strength. I'm gonna show you first what I have. The last one, the one that I last model. So this one, I'm gonna make pictures of my feet later. And the other one is this one. It's so cute. I have a visitor outside looking at visitor but fans. So this is the flip-flops. This is the last pair. So I have 4 pairs for today's unboxing video. So I hope you like it. And then I'm going to make pictures after this one. I'm gonna show you more later in the car. Hello everybody, so that's all for today's unboxing video. So later on we do it in the car, not unboxing but try on in the car. Bye everyone, love you all, see you next vlog.